Well, getting ready for my build, starting on Monday. So I'm just prepping all the stuff so I can be ready to rock and roll. I've recharged all my batteries on my Milwaukee and my DeWalt. I'm using my DeWalt circular saw here. I've got all my wood cut and stickered there for drying. I've got my floor insulation here, and there's my door and my two windows and hatch. I'll poke outside here. I've got my ACM right there on the trailer. I'm going to have to trim that for the floor. Go back inside again. And this is my bits and pieces that I picked up over the last little while. I've got some mending plates here, some other different type of, I guess, different shape of mending plates there. A couple of C-clamps, some things that I'm going to try out for actually tying down the camper pod to the trailer. Got some bits of electrical stuff, some LED lighting that I picked up like dirt cheap. That slingshot, now that's just for play. Box of 2.5-inch screws. Some jigsaw bits, that's good for ACM. Some 2-inch construction screws. I really need a 2.5, but for the price I got these, I'm going to keep them anyway. I've got a whole bunch of PL here. Some of it doesn't look very well, so I'll determine which is good and which is not. Got some silicone, water bottle. Got a couple of I love these Olaf knives. This particular brand. I've got extra blades because these are just like little short ones. A couple of Sharpies. Book to write down specifics as I'm going along. I love my DeWalt 18 volt. It's old school, but it still works. And a couple of mechanical pencils. Got my table saw and my miter saw right there. Don't think I'll be using my bandsaw. And that's it. So anyway, I'm starting on Monday. Start the build and see how it goes. Really looking forward to it.